The area in square feet of a rectangular field is x squared minus 120x plus 3500. The width is x minus 50. What is the length in feet? So as I draw a rectangular diagram, we see that the width is labeled x minus 50 and the area is x squared minus 120x plus 3500. So the question is, how long is the length? So if we think about it, x minus 50 is a factor of the area. So if we were to break this into two factors, we already have one of them. We just have to fill in the spot for the other. So just as before, we have to think of two numbers whose sum is 120. That comes from the middle term. And whose product is 3500. So remember, two numbers, if they average 60 each, you can get a sum of 120. So now I'm going to have 60 plus some unknown number, and then I'm going to do 60 minus some unknown number. And through multiplication, we have 3600 minus u squared, and we set it equal to the product, which is 3500. So if we add u squared to the right side of the equal sign, and then we could subtract 3500 on the left side of the equal sign. Now I have 3600 minus 3500. That's equal to 100. Set that equal to u squared. We can take the square root of both sides. Therefore, u is equal to 10. That means 10 is our unknown number. So I could put a 10 there, and I can put a 10 there. So let's add it up. 60 plus 10 is 70. And then 60 minus 10 is 50. So these are my actual solutions. These are the numbers that I can use to get my factors back down. And remember, I already have my x minus 50, so all I have to do is put in my 70 right there. So let me get rid of my question mark and replace it with a 70. And those are my two factors. Always answer your question completely. If it asks for the length, then make sure by the end of your work that you state specifically in a complete sentence, the length is x minus 70. And that answers our question. And that's it. That is your explanation on how to factor quadratic equations. And we applied it to an area scenario.